Very good afternoon, everyone. A very warm welcome to all of you in today's session. How to use Naukri.com portal for finding the jobs.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon.
Yeah. So today we are going to discuss how to find jobs on the Naukri portal. Okay.
Yes.
Now, I hope all of you can see my screen now.
Yes, sir. Yes.
You can see my screen. Vikas Kumar, mute yourself. Good. Thank you. Okay. इनसे बोल So first of all, we will open Naukri.com. What we will do? We will open Naukri.com. Okay. And okay. Now what I'll do is the first option is to log in or register for free. What we can do, either we can, if we have a account, then we can do login. Otherwise we need to do register for free. So click on register for free. What we will do, we will do on register for free. Okay. I'll just let you know some basic things over here. To register, what you need to do is, I hope you can see my screen.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. That sounds good. Okay. So here we need to type name. Okay. Then our mail ID. Then password, whatever password we want to. Okay. It is saying an account already exists with this mail ID because I have already made an account with this mail ID. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll go back and we'll try to do with another mail ID at least for initial few steps. Okay. We will not complete the whole process because all of you are mature enough to do it all. You can create link, or you can create your account. So I'm not going to do that today because we have already done it in last one session. So today we will directly approach how to find jobs so that we can learn more and more about finding jobs for different companies, for different roles, for different industries, for different locations. There are so many options that you can use over there in the Naukri.com to find the jobs. So here I'll write any ABCD mail ID, abcdefg@gmail.com. Okay. Oh yeah, this also is being used by someone. So Devendra mail ID I'm writing BEV10105245. Okay, then gmail.com. I hope it will not be being used by someone. This is not being used by anybody. So now we need to make a password. Password should be the combination of letters and numerics, and at least you should try to keep 6. Okay. Then we can write in password whatever as per our choice. Okay, this is our password, and then our mobile number we need to write here. Fair enough. Then click on register. You will be registered. For registration, what after this clicking on this register now, you will be need to do some other processes also that you can easily do. That is this Naukri.com portal's uh, user interface will allow you to do that all very easily. So that's not a problem to do. Okay, so we are skipping this part and we are going directly back to the login. We are going to log in. Okay, here click on login. I'm using my mail ID here, IIPM job placement @gmail.com. Okay, now password, what was the password? I also don't remember, but let me try once. What we can do forget password. Okay, then we can write mail ID, IIPM job placement. Okay, this is very easy option to find out any forgotten credentials of any mail or of any login account, whatever it is. It's not about only Naukri.com, it's about everything. You can just click on the forget password, click on here you can write either your username or your mail ID. Then by using this, what you can do, you can very easily find your
Yes. OTP or password.
Okay, now here we will find for OTP Gmail. In Gmail we will use this one, correct? Now Gmail, and here is the OTP. Okay, click on OTP. Here is the OTP. Then 599812
599,812.
5812. Okay, guys. So this is password. Now we can enter new password. I'm making a new password here. Done. So now I have logged into my account. Now Naukri.com has given some pop-up here to me. Okay. Be a priority applicant and stand out from your peers with Naukri paid services. Here Naukri.com is promoting his own services by giving you paid version. Okay. So what you can do is you can write here skip and continue, or I am interested. If you will click on I am interested, then you need to proceed ahead. Okay, otherwise you can click on skip and
Continue.
then now this is our profile now. Okay, in our profile we could not add some details, so it is showing profile strength as 88%. To complete it at 100, what we need to do is we need to add 3 more details, something like add details. Okay, what is missing here? Personal details. First of all, add personal details. Date of birth, say for example 10th May 2000. Okay, mail and your address. You need to write your address also here. Okay, guys, you can very easily find so many jobs over there on the Naukri.com portal. But before searching the jobs, we need to fit some, or we need to enter some details. Okay, guys.
Yes,
so
sir.
marital status, single, married, and then category general. Are you differently enabled? No. We will leave it blank. Work permit in other countries, so India. Click on India only, then save. Done.
Yes.
Now project, you need to add project also. for 8 marks, 8%. Project on. Tell me any project. Anyone? Tell me any project. What you have done?
Projects means at IIM, sir. Hello.
Any? Yeah, and at IIM.
Sir, actually, our course is where I'm pursuing, not that, but I can tell my any project or B project.
Yeah, let me know any project. Yeah? Just for
Yes,
information.
sir. Okay. Sequential information extraction from web. Sequential information extraction from web.
Sequential information
Extraction.
extraction.
Yes, from web.
Okay.
Extraction.
Then, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Welcome. Yes.
Like this project, aerospace and mechanical engineering, because we would have selected mechanical engineering somewhere in our graduation. That's why it is coming like that. Okay.
Okay.
So don't worry about it. Why sir? Why this is coming like this? Okay. This is coming because we would have selected at our graduation mechanical engineering or something like that. Okay.
Okay.
So don't worry about that. If you will choose computer science IT, then IT related things will be open here. Okay. So client name, you can write about client name. Say for example, IIBM. Okay.
Okay.
Finished. Done. What was your duration of the project? You can say for example 2021 January and 2020 on December. Okay guys.
Yes.
ABC or save. Okay, so project is complete.
Yes.
It is 90% and project we have already added, so it will come to 98%. Just a minute. What is missing?
Again, asking project.
Sequential
Information extraction. Sequential. Yes. Extraction from web. From web.
Okay. Hold for a while, please. It is taking a little time, so don't worry. Okay. Run. Finally, save. Okay.
Yeah.
Done. So it has been 98% profile completeness.
Yeah.
Add a language as well so that it can be 100. Now we can work permit. No. And India. Add language. Okay. Hindi. Preferency. Expert. Read. What you can do? You can read Hindi.
Right.
Write Hindi. Speak Hindi. Okay. Add another language. English. Proficient. You can read, you can write and speak. Done. Save. Now your profile is 100% complete. What is it?
Yes.
Your profile is 100% complete.
Yeah.
Now let's move to the main course or the main part of the system. Okay, search job. This is one thing. Search job. If we will, there are so many options. Search job, advanced search, create free job alert.
भजन गाए भजन कहाँ है
Then, so there are three options: search jobs, advanced job search, create job alert. Okay. Now, what is the difference? In search job, you can simply search for the jobs. In advanced search, you can filter jobs as per your requirement. And in create free job alert, in job alert, what will be there? If you will create any job alert, and if there will be coming any new job by any new employer or any existing employer, a new job will come related to your domain. Okay, it will directly come to your account or into your mailbox. Okay, hold for a while. Okay, so if you will create a job alert, what will be, whatever jobs will come related to that domain or that particular key skills. Okay, you will get new jobs directly into your inbox, in your mailbox, in your registered mailbox, as well as you will get jobs here. Okay, like give me a second. Where is that option? This is recruiters, one new recruiter message. Okay, you will receive message like this, like for this profile I received this message. Okay, I received this message from Ingenious Recruitment Services Private Limited, and mail ID of this company is this. Job location is New Delhi. Dear candidate, high greetings from this services private limited. So it is about the company. Now it is about the retail and telecom, hospitality. Okay. Now we are hiring freshers, graduate or postgraduate with who want to excel in human resource recruitment domain. This is a HR executive role. So this is the whole detail what is shared by the company. The same message has come into this my Naukri.com profile as well, and the same message has been sent to my mail ID as well.
Yeah.
Okay, I can see this same message in my mailbox also. If you wish to see, I can show it to you. Copy this mail ID, go to the mailbox. Where to go? Go to the mailbox, click here. Got it? This is the same mail that has come to my mail ID also. You can see it now.
Sir, yes.
Yeah, guys, you can see now. Good. Okay, the same mail is there. This is the same mail what is sent to my mail ID and what is there in my Naukri profile. Okay, so this is something that you will receive once you once you create job alert. Okay, once you will create job alert here, you will start receiving such mails related to that particular domain. So let's understand what is search job, what is advanced search, and what is create job alert. Click on search job. Let's do it and see. Okay, now how will we be searching jobs? To search job, we need to see here. I hope you can see. Search jobs by skills, designation, and companies. Now if you will write any designation here, you will find jobs related to that domain. If you will search jobs through the skill sets, then you will get list of the jobs on the basis of that particular skill, but on the basis of that particular designation and on the basis of companies also. So for example, if you write name of any company, okay, Hindustan Unilever, so for example, Hindustan Unilever, and search. What you will do? Search. All the jobs of Unilever Limited will be here. Okay, so these are the jobs: Unilever Limited, Hindustan Unilever Limited, main company, and these are the sub companies under Hindustan Group. Okay, under Hindustan Group. So team leader sales, Hindustan Coca-Cola Beverage Private Limited. Which location? Kolhapur. experience 1 to 2. It is very easy. It's very easy to search jobs through the Naukri.com. If you want to see more detail about this job, click upon this job. You can see now. You can see my cursor on team lead
Yeah.
sales.
Yeah.
Good. Okay, click on it. You can find its more details here. Okay. Fair enough. Fair enough. Now, anybody, say for example, anybody tell me what kind of job you are looking for. I'll find such kind of job for you here right away. Anyone?
So data science
Just
job.
tell me, ki, sir, I'm looking for data science job. I'm
Data
looking for HR job. I'm looking for
Banking.
banking. And what kind of jobs
Yes,
in
sir.
banking?
BSMs, yeah, branch manager.
Branch manager. Okay. Branch manager. Okay. Done. Search. Okay. This is branch manager job. RBB, HDFC Bank ki branch manager job. Which location? Mumbai. Click upon it. Are you able to get what how I did it? Could
Yes,
you know
sir.
it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If no, then I'm doing it again for you. Okay. Click on search job. Okay, guys, I clicked on search job. Now I got this panel. On this panel, I search for branch manager. Branch manager. Okay. Where? Branch manager, which industry? In bank and finance. If I'm not writing any specific company, for example, I'm not writing HDFC. In that case, I'm writing branch manager
Bank
in
and
bank
finance.
and finance. Click upon it. You will find branch manager jobs here. Okay. All jobs will be related to NBFCs, bankings, such kind of jobs will be there. See, this is a company, Next Business Services India Private Limited. Okay. This company is looking for personal banking, financial manager or fresher experience. Financing and banking manager. Okay. Rinka Global Impacts Limited. Now you would say, ki, sir, these are company jobs. These are not the bank jobs. Correct? See, ask me a question.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes.
ये बोल रहा है.
You should ask a question to me, na? Sir, these are not bank jobs. You said that bank jobs are there. So for this, what we will do, we will go to just a second. We will go to here, companies. Okay, where will we go to? We will go to companies. Just a minute. Click on this. Okay. Now we will click on the company names like HDB. HDB is a bank, na? Axis Bank is there.
Yeah.
Axis Bank. So hiring for credit manager, hiring for relationship manager for corporate banking, hiring for asset desk, branch operation manager. Okay, this is the job relevant to your field, right? Is it or not?
Yes. Means
Yes, sir.
banking related job is there. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a banking related job that also related to branch manager operations. Okay.
Branch operation manager, DBM. Deputy branch manager.
Correct. Now see, now let me click upon it. Now it will be open here. Okay. Opened. Now, if you want to know more details about this, then you have to click upon it. Now, by clicking, what you will find here, branch manager operations job, immediate joiners required, means the company is looking for immediate joiners who can join them immediately, maybe within 10 days, 15 days, 12 days. Okay. That kind of candidate company is looking for. Fair enough. Now, what here next is the experience. This bag symbol is of experience. This bag symbol is of experience. Experience from 7 to 12 years. The person should have 12 to 7 years of experience. How much salary he or she should be earning? He or she should be earning 6 lakh to 9 lakh. This first symbol is saying salary. Now, what is the location of the job? Job location is on these places: Nagercoil, Ooty, Salem, Tirunelveli, Nellai, or Kangeyam. Okay, these are the job locations. Fair enough. So job description, location is already we have discussed. Now, if you wish to apply for this, what you need to do is you need to do either one or two things. Okay, first is you need to share your CV to this mail ID. Okay, now you can see this is the mail ID of any of the company's official, and we can see the domain name of the company, accessbank.com.
Yes.
Okay, come to
Yes.
next. It's about the branch banking. What exactly branch banking is about? Okay, then it's about the role. What exactly you will be doing? Branch operations head manages the customer sales officers, tailors of the branch, and ensures efficiently daily operations of the branch, along with implementing strategies to increase productivity and performance level in order to achieve the branch financial targets. Okay, the BH is also responsible for ensuring compliance with the rules, regulations, and policies governing the bank. Correct? This is more about that. You can study it. Give it a 1 minute or 2 minutes time so that you can understand what exactly is written there.
Sir, if in case of if I'm pursuing the internship, okay, at that time IIBM for data science.
Mhm.
So I have to search for that senior data scientist or junior data scientist or data analyst, or what kind of job profile I look for. I should look for.
Very correct and genuine question that our freshers should have in mind. Really, it's very good question. What happened to this? Very good question. Okay, first of all, let me complete this question. Okay, then
Okay.
I'll take your question. Then we will proceed as per your
Okay, sir. Okay. Yeah.
request. Okay.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So the candidate who was asking me for this, bank manager job, are you there?
Yes, boss.
Yeah, good. So this is the way. Okay. Now to apply, what you need to do is you need to click here. Okay. You need to click here. You will be able to apply for this job, and you need to write an email also. That will be good if you can write an email also with your CV, and the CV should be tailor-made. Okay, CV should be tailor-made. Once you are going to send your CV to any company, you should you should make some changes in it. Now you would be wondering, sir, how we can manage every time a CV, how to and what kind of changes should be there. Okay. Now the person who was looking for bank manager job, you not only should, but you must try to include some of these points in your CV. Okay, some of these points you should try to include in your CV. When you write what I do, my roles and responsibilities, under those roles and responsibilities, you should write it. Some of the points out of it you should write. Maybe you would have written something very good over there. Maybe that is not written here also. Maybe, but to qualify for this job, to get a call okay, by this company, it is required, it is must required that you write something out of this job description.
Okay.
If you will do so, if you will do such changes in your CV every time, I'm pretty sure you will be able to get an interview call for sure.
Okay.
Now if you are able to get an interview call, if your CV is able to be shortlisted, you are already you will already cross a line. Isn't it? So what happens, there used to come so many applications for a particular job. But the hiring managers, I'm talking about the managers who do hire, who do, see the CVs, who do, take applications from the Naukri.com. They just reject out CVs on the basis of the words they have written in their CV. Maybe the words, what is written in the CV is of high level. Maybe the word, what is written by a candidate in the CV is of low level. That is not matching to the, requirement of the, job description by any particular company.
Okay.
So what if you to take some points from here
Mhm.
and put it in that CV, your CV. Now, if the same person, the company HR will see ki whatever I'm looking for is already there in CV of this candidate, I should give it a thought. I should give him a call. I should shortlist his CV.
Yeah.
Will it not be there? It will be for sure. Guys, will it be or not?
Yes, sir.
It
Yeah.
will be, na?
Yeah.
So this is the way that your CV can be shortlisted. It's for everyone. I'm not talking from the perspective of branch manager. I'm talking from the perspective of everyone here.
Yeah.
Be it HR manager, be it a HR executive, be it a, data analytics, be it a, whatever profile you are applying for. It's always ideal that it's always ideal. Always ideal that you include some things related to the job description given by any company for any particular role, be it HR, be it marketing, finance, business analytics, analytical, data analyst, data scientist, whatever it is. Your chances of getting the CV shortlisted will be high. Now, guys, if your CV is shortlisted, then chances are high that you can appear in the interview and you can show up your skills. But what if your CV is not shortlisted by any company? You will be depressed. Yeah, what should I do? I do apply to so many companies, but I do not get call. What can I do? Nothing. My bad luck. My days are not going good. You will say like that. You would feel like that. But if in case your CV is shortlisted, companies has shortlisted your CV, in that case, what will be? Now it's time that you show up your skills.
Mhm.
Maybe you're not, that much, you have not prepared that much well that you can crack the interview, but at least you will come to know what exactly is the requirement of the market, what kind of questions are being asked by the interviewer.
Yeah. Yeah.
Got my point?
Yes, sir.
So this is the way. So if anybody do say, sir, I'm very good on hard skills. Yesterday we were having a discussion upon hard skills and soft skills. What is the soft skill? What is the hard skills? You would be wondering, sir, what is the role? If I'm not getting a call for the interview, what is the role of hard skills and soft skills? I do have so much with me. I do have a lot with me, but I'm not able to use that. I'm not able to showcase that. What is use of that all? Is there any use? No, not at all. Maybe you are having very, very good skills. You are very good on banking knowledge. You are having very good banking knowledge. You are very good on dealing with the people. You are very good on handling customers. You are very good on handling your team. But if your CV is not shortlisted, what that good all is? No, nothing. There is no use of that all.
Yeah.
One thing. Second thing, if you are not able to search for a job through any particular portal or through any employment news, what is use of your skills? How you will be employed? How you will change your job, or how you will get your first job? If you're not able to search jobs through the Naukri.com, TimesJobs.com, TimesJobs, Sign, Monster, or n number of companies are there. If you're not able to search jobs, is there any use of your skill sets? No, there is no use. I'll not go into that deep. Key what skills you should have, how you can crack the crack the interview. I'll not go into that. I have already taken some sessions upon it. How you can crack the interview, how you can do good in an interview, how you can make the exit process good, how you can I'm not talking about exit process that after the resignation. I'm talking about the exit process after the completion of the interview, how you can leave a good impression. That all we have already discussed. Okay, so there was someone who asked me a question, sir, what kind of job I should ask, I should search for and I should apply for. Someone was from the data science, right? Okay, fair enough. So I feel good, and I feel pride as well. I feel proud as well when you people do ask me such questions. These are very relevant questions that you should know. That such kind of questions you should raise. You know, because it's very obvious. If you will not, if you don't know what I should do, for what kind of job I should apply, then how you will be able to prepare yourself? If you don't know on which ground I have to fought in the war, will you be able to prepare yourself? No. With whom I'm going to fight in a war, will you be able to prepare yourself? No. Maybe you see that maybe any wrestler is coming with 70 kg of weight, any wrestler is coming with 80 kg of weight. So is that a good way? No, not at all. The good way is you understand yourself, you analyze yourself, and then you determine, okay, this is the job that I should apply for. Okay, so if you are a fresher, then you should try to apply for trainee data analyst, executive data analyst, data analyst, associate data analyst. Such kind of profile you should apply for. You should not apply for senior data analyst, for general manager data analyst. Such kind of profile you should not apply. But guys, there are so many exceptions as well. It's not like that. In this world, nothing is fixed. You can't say anything like this. Okay, so what are those aspects, exceptions? Those exceptions are this, that you can apply for any job, for senior role also, senior profile also.
Okay.
But definitely that company should be of low level. Okay, that company should be of low level only, not of high level. Okay, because if you will search for high level companies, those companies would again create a problem.
Yes.
Or they would be having higher expectations.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Yes.
But the companies which are of low level, who are not having that much goodwill in the market, they can hire the person with the lower skills or person with less skills at a higher rank. But payment will not be much different. They would be paying less, not much less, but comparatively they would be paying less. Okay, so this is the way.
Yes.
Okay, so this is the way. Hold one second, give me a second. Any other question? Anybody else who want to know that, sir, how should I search for my jobs for my domain, or how can I for search job for my profile? Is there any question in anybody's mind? Nilesh? Any question, guys? Okay, so I'm moving ahead.
Sir, in selecting the job locations, actually we should select general, because nowadays there is a work from home in IT cell, okay, IT sector. So we should select any any big city in India, or some related nearby cities.
No, what you can do is, since the things are going on in virtual mode, what you can do, you can just simply leave the location, column blank, like I'm doing here. Okay, give me a second.
Okay.
Data analyst.
Mhm.
Okay, data analyst. Simply, I write data analyst.
Yeah.
Fresher. Okay, and I'm not writing anything in the location and search. Now you will find job here from Pan India. Okay,
Okay.
got it.
Yeah. Yeah.
See, here is a job from Ahmedabad. Here is a job from Pune, and these are so many jobs are there. This is a job from Pune again, Indore.
Yeah.
Understand?
Yes, sir.
Consultancy. They see, you should try to avoid consultancy services jobs. Okay, what you
Okay.
should try? You should try to avoid to
Consult-
apply on the consultant jobs, because they sometimes what happens, they may
Mhm.
ask you for some amount. They can ask you for some charges for to get you into the job.
Okay.
So do not get into those kind of traps. Try to keep yourself little smart, so that you do not
Okay.
get
Yeah.
into any trap of someone. To remove these, or to do not, if you want not to see such kind of jobs of these your consultants, what you can do, see the cursor. Can you see my cursor?
Yeah.
Okay, now come here, come down, give me a second, come down. Okay, come down, come down, come down, come down, come more down. Where is that? Mhm. One second.
आप बस थोड़ा नीचे आओ सर.
Give me a second.
वहाँ पोस्टेड वाई का ऑप्शन दिखा रहा है.
यार कहाँ चला गया वो ऑप्शन? There is
थोड़ा
to come.
थोड़ा ऊपर से, थोड़ा ऊपर. एजुकेशन के ऊपर. और थोड़ा ऊपर सर. और ऊपर. हाँ.
Sorry यार, I was just skipping
Yes.
it, है ना? So this is
हाँ.
option. You can
Consultant.
click on company jobs only. What you can do?
Company jobs.
Okay.
है ना? So now
Yeah.
consultant job will not be there.
Okay.
Understand?
Yes, sir.
हम्म.
And thank you so much for the guidance here. I was
Thanks, sir.
skipping it. Yeah. So this is the way you can search for the jobs through the company only. Okay, not
Yes,
through the
sir.
consultants. So these all are the jobs by company only. Fair enough?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So these are so many jobs that you can apply for. But again, you need to use your wiseness while applying, and then finally going into the interview.
Okay.
Never ever pay even a single penny to any employer for the job. Make it a thumb rule. If any employer, if any third party, if any consultant is asking you for money, that means there is something suspicious.
Sir,
So do not.
yes,
Hmm.
the same incident happened with me before Diwali. One company approached me. They have taken
Mhm.
my technical interview, telephonic interview.
Mhm.
Then they asked me again. You are shortlisted. They said me you are shortlisted, and then they next step will be your test. So they taken my online test, computer test,
Mhm.
technical test. So in
Mhm.
that also they said that you are selected. You are cracked the second stage also.
Okay.
So they offer me the appointment letter. Okay,
Mhm.
but before giving the appointment letter, na, sir, they said that before Diwali, in between, you should not join any company. So they said that we will give offer letter, but you have to pay for that, because this money will be means refundable. As a
Mhm.
security, it is a security deposit. We are taking the amount, and
Mhm.
they have given in return, sir. So all these things they have given in return. They mail me. So after on the day of the joining the company, you will get this security use refundable security deposit, refundable amount you paid for that.
Mhm.
So I paid 15,000. So because sir offer was awesome.
You paid?
Yes, sir, offer was very awesome. It was Genpact company at Pune, and the role was data scientist. Role was data scientist, and package is of some, sir, around 6.5 lakhs at the
Then
start. So when I see the offer letter, na, sir, so actually they are asking that as a security report is, and they have all the things they have given it written, na, sir. So I paid for that, sir. But after Diwali, I came to know that that company is fraud. Actually, that third party was that they have given me that offer letter, and their website is blocked. Their phone number is there. They are not receiving the phone sales, and all their phones are switched off. All their phones are switched off. So because before Diwali they were in touch me. They were in touch me. So but after that nobody's means nobody's available. Nobody's is. So
यही होती है दिक्कत यार.
yes, sir. Because before Diwali, sir, I'm in very much happy because I got job in Genpact as a data scientist, 6.5 lakhs. But after that my means mood was changed. But if anyway, okay. But this was a big lesson for me. Yes, because whatever the things happened with me, so it should not be happened with anybody. So I am sharing this.
Such things happen so many times here.
Yeah.
People should be on alert mode. They should not. That's why I always say, do not pay even a single penny to anybody.
Yeah.
Otherwise, such things can lead you to, in big trouble.
Yeah.
You will not get a job. Even you will pay whatever is there in your, pocket.
Yeah.
They will not pay you, but you will pay for them.
Because, sir, I have asked a lot of questions because before paying, they said that as a security deposit, we are taking the amount, because in between you should not go to any another company, because there is a lot of requirement of data scientists. Companies are seeking for the means they require many people. So that's why we are taking the security deposit.
That are their trips. Yeah, that are their tricks and traps that people do fall into. So let's come to advanced search. Okay, advanced search. Now in advanced search, what you can do, you can simply write, say for example, you are looking for a accountant job. Okay, so accountant, accounts executive. I'm talking about advanced. Okay, location. So for example, you are looking for a job in New Delhi, NCR. Okay, then you can choose industry here. Okay, now it will show you only those jobs, whichever industry you will choose. Okay, so for example, you are choosing automobile. Okay, you can choose up to 2 industries here, FMCG, then FMCG. Okay, and now option is coming for more also. Good. Okay, travel. So not more than 2. We cannot select more than 2. Okay, now category, you can choose category also here. Okay, like accounts and finance. Done. And now company job, which kind of job you are looking for, company job or consultant also.
Company.
If you will click on all, you will get all the jobs, company as well as consultants. But in case of company jobs, you will find only company jobs. So click on search. Understand now?
Yes, sir.
What I did? Key skills, accounts executive. Which location? Delhi NCR. Which industry? I have a specified industry also. Okay. Industry mean FMCG, food and beverages, automobile ancillaries, and click on search.
Okay.
So this is the advanced option. Okay. You will find so many jobs here. Unicharm is looking for accounts executive, accounts receivable, salary 7 to 8 lakh. Gurgaon. Location is Gurgaon. Delhi NCR means Gurgaon, Noida, Ghaziabad, Faridabad, and your Sonipat. Sorry. Okay.
Yeah.
This is another company, Pramit. This is also looking. This is Trim Photo Parts Distribution Private Limited. That is the company. JMA Food, because we have chosen food. Okay. FMCG. Ye Gulfrit Industries Limited, RP Sanjeev, Delhi NCR, 3 lakh to 7 lakh. So you can click on any one of these. Click on this. Say for example, now you can see the all the details here. This job was posted first when 9 days ago. How many openings are there? 1, how many applicants have applied? 223. What is the job highlight? These are the job highlights. Okay. What are the key skills required? So these are the key skills that are required for this job. Okay, these are the key skills. And early applicant, that is a different thing. Job description is here, qualification is here, the experience and key competencies are here. Okay, and then operation level is here. So all the things are already covered here. Done. Now you can click on apply. Your application will be sent to the company. Okay, what you can do? What happened to it? Okay, so I have applied for it. What I have done? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Good. So this is the way. Okay.
Yes.
So what we learned today? Search, advanced search.
What search?
Done. Now in advanced search, now say for example, you want to search for data science or bank manager. Say for example, bank manager. Okay. So bank manager. Which location? Say for example, Pune. Which location? Pune. Industry, banking and finance. Okay. And job category, leave it. Company jobs and search. Got it? So deputy manager, PM required for leading banks in Pune. Business development manager, health tech. Principal product manager, strategy banking domain. Business manager, home loan, Jaipur. Senior manager, my money, Karma. So these are the jobs, okay, that you can see there. Now, if you wish to see jobs of banks only, in that case, you can choose here out of the companies. What you can do? That option is in last. Here are the companies, okay? Okay, here are the companies. HDFC Bank, okay? 3 jobs of HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank collection manager, relationship manager, and then business relationship manager. You can choose Yes Bank as well. So Yes Bank, you can see jobs of Yes Bank, relationship manager, this. So I hope you have understand what I have tried to convey here.
Sure, sir. Yeah.
Clear?
Yeah.
Now create free job alert. How to create free job alert? For creating job alert, what you will need to do is now we will create a alert. Okay, like we search for the jobs now. In similar way, we will create alert also. Once we will make this alert, we will start to receive jobs related to that domain day by day. Once any job will come in, will be posted on the Naukri.com, we will get it in our mailbox. Okay. So let's learn it. Accounts executive. Okay. Or Tally. BG. Location. So for example, location I'm writing Delhi NCR. Okay. Work experience. What is your work experience? You can write as per that. Expected salary and minimum. You can write it, but try not to write expected salary. Okay. Write industry here. Education. Banking and financial services. Okay. Done. Now category, try not to write category, or you can write also accounts and secretary. Then role you can write this executive or a, but try not to write role. And name your job alert. You can make name of the job alert. Okay, like jobs or accounts. Okay, this is your job alert name, and create job alert. Now this job alert, see your job alerts, jobs for accounts has been created. You will now receive jobs alerts in your email. @iibmjobplacement@gmail.com twice a week. कब मिलेगा हमको ये? सप्ताह में. We will get it 2 times in a week, but there will come so many companies at one time. Okay. So let's come to home page. Now we can see job alerts. Okay. Our job alerts we can see here also. I think where is that? Click on my profile first. Okay, my profile. This is my profile, complete profile. Job alert is not coming yet here. I think it will come after some time. Give me a second. Here is alert. Okay, manage alert. What you need to do is click here, manage alerts, means job alerts. Okay, so this is your job alert. All job alert name, jobs for accountant. What is the criteria? Accountant executive, Tally busy, then experience 4 years, location Delhi, industry में education, banking, financial services, and category accounts, finance, and company secretary. So this is your job alert. You can see it like this. You can modify it and you can delete alert. So view upon, click view on view. Okay. So these are some of the jobs that are matching your alert criteria. So see here, see, can you see my cursor? Are you there? Guys, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Good. So can you see my cursor?
Yes, sir.
So that jobs that match your alert are shown below. You will receive similar job alerts in your job alert. Okay. So these are the jobs: accounts, accountant, Dadar, Bandra, Churchgate, Manish Beda and Associates. This is a company that is looking for accountant. Salary is this. Poddar Education Network is looking for this. Lumicate Camtech is looking for this. Sunway is looking for this. So these are the some of the companies that are looking for accounts executives. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So I'll say thanks to everybody for attending to this today's session. Wish you all the best.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so
sir.
much.
Sir, really informative. Thank you so much. So
Yeah.
yesterday I missed your session that on that mentorship. So I will
No.
get. There was a session, sir, yesterday, I think.
Session was there. No worries, you will get it later on also. Keep on joining, keep on attending all the sessions.
Okay,
These
sir.
sessions do keep on repeating probably on, a period of 3 to 4 months, and you can get the, on YouTube also.
Okay, sir. Thank
Thank
you so
you.
much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.